demographic health. This is the data which I got from demographic health survey. And in this data, we have different variables. I removed most of the variables because the data file which I received from the demographic health survey was very big. So, and I am just using Excel sheet rather than SPSS and other software. And if you, so what we need to do for knowing about the coexisting form of malnutrition, how do we need to, how can we know? So for assessing the anthropometric measurement, we need three type of information: child age, child weight, and child height. And then there's another one more that we call positioning or something like either the child is standing or either the child is laying on the shoreboard. So usually the weight is in kilogram and the height is in centimeter. So we don't need to convert, and we put all these information in WHO EnthroCal calculator, and afterwards we are calculating the Z score. Then the WHO Z score calculator usually calculates the Z score, three to four different types of Z score. So number for one is height for age, then weight for age, weight for height, and body mass index. Usually for calculating the or assessing the coexisting form of malnutrition or any sort of nutritional disorder, including the standalone form of nutritional disorder, we are considering height for age, and weight for height. We are not considering the BMI standard deviation. Why we are not considering this one? Because BMI usually overestimate the overweight obesity in children. So that's not my saying. That's has been proven by other researches which were conducted in China. So that's why most of the researchers are excluding BMI for assessing the nutritional status of children. So now we have three anthropometric index. One is height for age, second is weight for height, and third is weight for age. So here I am just you can use it in your way as well if you want and to do in SPSS, just for making things easier. Just using just do the filter, and after doing the filter, what you need to do, we just need to find what are the numbers less than 0. Sorry, minus 200. So it will show all the numbers which are less than minus 200 or minus 2 standard deviation. So if I am coding all this like 1, 1 means like stunted, any child who is having stunting would be coded 1. And rest would be, sorry, rather than coding 1, I will write stunted here because, yeah, I will write stunting here rather than writing 1 because there could be someone who must have 1 standard deviation. Now select all and similarly, now we are going to calculate what is the weight for age. For assessing the weight for age, we are making the 3 indicators. Now, okay, I am not doing the coding. I am just writing directly. So far, the work which I have done are also doing by other agencies, including all the national nutrition surveys, all the demographic health surveys, or micronutrient survey. We all are assessing the prevalence of stunting. We all are assessing the prevalence of underweight. We all are assessing the prevalence of wasting, or assessing the prevalence of overweight, obesity. But we are still we are not sure how many children of Pakistan or any other region of the world are suffering from uh, coexisting form of malnutrition, or are suffering from um any specific form of coexisting form of malnutrition. So, but we only have that type of statistic. For example, if we are considering about the demographic health survey of 2017-18, according to that, like around 38 to 40% children are stunted, 23% children are underweight, and 7% children are, if I'm not wrong, are wasted. But we do not know how many children have more than one form of nutritional disorder, or how many children in a country are healthy. Because we are, why are we considering negative, negative, negative? Maybe we are progressing as well. So how many healthy children we have in this survey period, how many unhealthy children we have this survey period, and how many children we have having multiple form of nutritional disorders. So, but from this, this, and this. No. So how I can we know that, like coexisting form of malnutrition?
Excuse me, sir. We have 3 minutes
Yes.
left in this Zoom meeting. Do we continue in the next meeting using the same link?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Everyone, please rejoin the same link again.